Normally we start off our leg workout with the most basic exercise, the squat. But this time we're going to be doing a pre-exhaustion workout routine, starting with the lunge first. The idea behind this exercise is to exhaust the quads and then move on to the squat. Sean's doing the lunge with his foot up on the bench. It's basically keeping him from cheating and isolating the front leg and making it do all the work. This is excellent for the glutes, the hamstrings, and the thigh. Wow, it's hard.
Yes, it's very hard.
Rock man.
Notice his knee is directly over the ankle. His back is straight, his chin is up, looking at all the viewers at home. In a nice, controlled, slow movement. It's a terrific isolation exercise for the thigh. Perfect, Sean. Come on, Sean.
Right. Very good, Sean.
Great, Sean.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, one more. Perfect form. You have the best form on every exercise you do.
I thought I had the best.
Shannon has the best form
I bet
on every
every man tells you that.
They just say she has the best form.
There you go. There you go.
Okay. Foot up. Front foot forward. You actually want to put your front foot forward a little bit more. A good way to tell if you're doing this exercise right is to look in the mirror. It's a good way to make sure and check your form.
Where is the mirror?
That's what you have us for. Inhaling on the way down, exhaling on the way up. Not going below the parallel of her thigh. Perfect. She looks good, huh?
Gotta keep up with you.
So we're going to start off with the lunges, 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 15 repetitions, and then move on to the squat.
Yeah.
We feeling healthy? We feeling fine?
Feeling fine.
And if I wanted to spot Shannon, I could be right back here, helping her either at the bar or at the waist. Just a little help right here. Great. Come on, Shannon. It's perfect. Now we're starting off a little bit lighter. This is a new exercise. Hope you're taking notes. A few more, 3 more. Last 2. We're working on the
There we go.
thighs.
Take your time.
And last one. Great.
Yeah.
Okay, my turn, your turn. Now, Sean, let's teach them at home what a new Hawaiian word for the glute. What is it?
Okole.
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 Need a hard rock of pole.
So when you're drinking your pineapple juice, instead of saying bottoms up, you say Okole Maluna. Yeah, it feels great. If I concentrate, I can really feel it right in my Okole. Go down nice and slow. Concentrate on flexing the glute, flexing and squeezing the thigh. 3 more. Last 2. And 1 more.
Very good.
Okay, my right leg.
Yeah.
Making the muscle work at all times.
And notice when I come up, I keep the knee slightly bent. I don't lock out my knee, which is exactly what you were doing too. 2 more. 2. And last one.
There you go.
Okay, now we're gonna move on to the squat. Hey, Sean's in there. Why don't we put on some weight? What do you want, Sean?
Oh, a 200-pound plate there.
Gosh, every time
200
we do a show, it
pounds.
gets more and more.
Oh, I'm just getting bigger.
Sean's
every
our
minute I
stud
work out.
man.
Yeah.
Okay, the squat is one of the most basic exercises for the lower body. If I had to pick one leg exercise to do, it would be the squat. You can get the thighs in there, the glutes, calves, hamstrings. Now Sean has plates under his heels, which put more emphasis on the quads. He's doing a close stance, almost like a hack squat. It gives him that really nice sweep that we've all been admiring, right, Shannon?
Yeah, I was wondering, that's what it affects more of a different muscle that way, or?
It hits the muscle at a different angle. So when you're going to do legs, when you're going to train legs, pick a few different exercises, vary your feet positions. That way you get a more complete workout.
Neat.
Come on, Sean. he has great physique. Come on, up. Perfect. Come on, Sean. And last one. Woo!
Feel the burn?
Oh yeah. Shannon's turn.
Mine a little more forward.
Okay, let's take off some of this weight. What do you want on this, Shannon?
No.
Make sure when you're re-racking the weights,
Hands are fine.
you squat down. It's important to find a foot position that's comfortable for you. Shannon's got her feet shoulder width apart, heels under her plates. Again, putting more of the
Stress.
thank you, upon the quad.
Quadriceps. And as you can see, she has her hips under the bar at all times. She keeps it in the same plane, which is much easier to do with the Smith machine.
And this is a nice Smith machine too. It's very smooth. And also the bar is lighter than most of them, don't you think?
It has a nice counterbalance.
So we've shown you the lunge. We suggest 3 to 4 sets of that, and then 3 to 4 sets of the squat.
I like to do the last few a little slower to really feel the burn.
Okay, my turn. I'll do the same weight. I like using the plates too. When you have the plates, it puts more of the emphasis on the quads. When you do a flat squat, it works more of the acholi. Can you spell that? We've shown you 2 great exercises for the legs. We've shown you the lunge and the squat. Those are 2 of my favorite exercises for really maxing out your legs. Next time you're in the gym, choose a variety of different leg exercises and do 3 to 4 sets of each, 10 to 15 repetitions. I like starting off with the squat, working my way up to the lunge, and then finishing off with leg curls and leg extensions. And because the legs are a major muscle group, when I go to the gym, I like to take an entire day and train just the legs. And an important tip, when you train legs, you must wear the blue bandana. Okay, you're just in time. Shannon's warming up her biceps, doing some close grip chins. This is an excellent way to warm up the entire bicep head. What you want to do here, all right, good job,
Getting better.
is underhand grip. Let your lower body hang and just do a chin-up. Good idea to warm up with as many as you can get. How many did you get, Shannon?
I got 10 this time. I'm doing a little better. I had 8
Right.
before.
4, 5, 6,
Look at those biceps.
7,
Wonderful, Kiana.
8, 2 more, 9, 10.
All right.
Okay, Sean's turn. Now it's a good idea when you're doing the chin-ups, if you have the Kiana power stand, or if, I remember when I was in high school, I put the chin-up bar in between my door of my bedroom. Remember that, Sean? You ever do that in your football days?
All the time. No place to go. Just go to the park.
That's true. Chin-up's a great way to train and warm up the entire body, actually. The secondary muscle groups that are hit, in addition to the biceps, you've got the triceps, the shoulders, and a lot of forearm action in here too.
Sean's got a lot
Perfect.
of action going on in there. He's got great
You did
biceps.
2 more? He's sweating. It's hot out here. All right. Okay. Now if you're gonna warm up with the chin-ups, do 10 to 15 reps. For now, we're gonna move on to the incline seated bicep curl. You wanna start? It's kinda
Yeah.
warm. Okay. And this is an adjustable bench. It goes incline, flat, and decline. The incline bench actually serves to hit more of the upper area of the bicep, right in through here. Now, Shannon, you want to keep your head back. There you go. Notice we have a step for her feet. She wants to exhale on the way up. What I want you to do, Shannon, at the top, I want you to curl your pinky in a little bit, right up through here. There you go, just a little bit. Exhale on the way up. I train my biceps twice a week, 3 to 4 sets, using a variety of different exercises, bicep curls, easy bar, straight bar. How about you?
Yeah, I love to attack it from different angles, especially with any workout, because sometimes you just get bored doing the same thing over and over again.
Exactly. Good point.
I like the well-defined arms on women. It looks so nice. You wear a tank top, sundress.
She's always thinking about shopping.
Shopaholic that I am.
And spotters, if she needed it, I would be right here at the wrist, helping her up. Do 2 more? Good job. Okay. Let's see. Okay. When I do my incline curls, I like to make sure, keep my head back and really concentrate on the muscle that I'm working. Concentrate on feeling the bicep pull the dumbbell up as opposed to just lifting it up. Feel the bicep curl the weight up. Now, Sean, tell everybody at home how you got so massive here.
Actually, everybody used to beat up on me, so I was fending for myself.
A lot of brothers and sisters, huh? If you want to make this even more difficult, you can do both arms at the same time. It's a little bit harder, but always maintain proper form, keeping the small of your back against the pad, exhaling on the way up. One more, and Sean's turn.
That's great.
Whew. Okay.
Now we get to see our massive Sean.
Sean's using 20 pounds, and what I think is really great about Sean, he goes in a very, very slow, controlled movement. He's got perfect form. Notice the upper arm stays still. He's just curling with the bicep, bringing up the forearms. Perfect. Now, in addition to training biceps, when I train biceps, I like to train back first, biceps the next day, or I can go chest and biceps together. I always try to train the major muscle group first, like legs, chest, and back, and then move on to a smaller muscle group like the biceps. Come on, Sean, let's go. A couple more. Up. Up. Excellent. Okay. Couple more here.
I feel the burn.
We're gonna make Sean do a few more to really burn it out. 3 more. Good job, Sean. It's easy to have pumped up biceps like Sean. Start off with the close grip chin-ups. Start off by doing as many as you can, exhaling as you pull your body weight up. After your chin-ups, move on to the incline dumbbell curls. Do 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 15 repetitions, exhaling as you curl the weight up. The incline curl can be done one arm at a time or both arms at the same time. Stay tuned for cross-training as we go for a run, run, run coming up next. What I find that works the best for me to strengthen and flatten the tummy is a high number of repetitions and crunches. So Mark and Anita and I are going to be doing 60 crunches for the upper and the side area of the abs. Count them, 60. Up and down. We're starting off with the basic crunch. Small to the back, press into the bench. Exhale up. Tummy's tight. It's a very small, isolated lift. Chin up, elbows back. Do 3 more. Working the upper area of the abs. 2, and last one, and 1. Now we're going to cross our ankle over the knee, keeping the knee wide open, keeping the elbows back, and up, twisting to the left, and down. It's important to keep your shoulder blades off of the mat, or off the bench. Working the side area of the abs, and up, and down. Make sure to keep your elbows back, keep that knee open, crunch it up, and up, down. Notice we're holding it for a beat at the top. Smile and eating, having fun. And up. And up. We'll do 5 more. Hold it up for a beat and release. And up. 3 more. Last 2. And hold it up for a beat. And now we're going to go back to the middle for the basic crunch. Both feet down. Remember, your shoulder blades are off. Small to the back. Press into the bench and lift it up. Our elbows are wide. This is not an arm movement. Don't pull with your arms. You're just crunching up with the abs. And down. And up. When you're training the abs, it's important to do a high number of repetitions like we're doing. 5 more. Woo! Feel this burden. Pump it out. down. Let's get together. Up and down. 2 more. Up, down, and last one. Okay, now let's put our right leg across. Notice here we have the knee open wide again. Elbows back. And we're going to be crunching to the right. And up. Hi, Mark. And up. It's just a small isolated twisting motion. Keeping the left shoulder blade off of the bench. Really crunch it up and flex the tummy as you come up. And 5 more. Let's go. So we've done a grand total, 15 crunches to the front, and now we're finishing up with the side. 2 more. And hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, and release. Woo! Good job. The back of the arm or the tricep area is a very easy muscle group to train if you know how. We're going to show you how to do the dip and the tricep kickback using the chairs, the Kiana body flex, the dumbbells, and Anita's using the ankle weight. Let's get started. Knees bent, lower yourself slowly, and 1, 2, elbow straight back, 3, smile, 4, 5, tummy's tight, 6, feet flat, 7, press it up, 8, flex those triceps, 9, 10, perfect, 11, 12, make sure your elbows are going straight back, 13, last 2, 14, and 15. Our second exercise is the kickbacks. Left foot forward, left hand resting on the left knee, right elbow up, palm facing back, extend the arm, 1, and 2, 3, 4, keep those tummies tight, 5, 6, even flex the legs, 7, and the glutes, 8, keep the elbow high, 9, 10, 5 more, 11, 12, 13, last 2, 14, pump it out, and 15. Left arm, feel that, huh? Right leg forward, left elbow up high, palm back, and extend, 1, 2, tighten the legs, 3, chin up, 4. Think how great we're going to look after this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 to 4 sets is all you need. 9, 10, 5 more, 11, 12. These are called tricep kickbacks. 13, last 2, 14, and when you're done, you can kick back. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's edition of Kiana's Flex Appeal. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Kiana's Flex Appeal was filmed at the beautiful 550-room Ritz-Carlton Kapalua on Maui's lush northwest shore.